Hey guys, how's it going? Kevin McGoldrick here. I'm going to show you today how to set up a ManyChat chatbot. Connect it to your Facebook page. So you've got to have a Facebook page. That's the only thing you can connect it to at this point. So if you don't have one, they're pretty simple to set up. Just Google it and let's get into it. Alright guys, so you're going to go to ManyChat.com. It's completely free. They're paid plans, but you don't need that to get started. There's plenty of good features. And when you go there, you'll see Get Started for free. So you're going to need to also sign in with your Facebook account by clicking the blue button. And here you'll go, all right, sign in with Facebook. You'll be redirected to the Facebook to complete the sign in process, and you'll need to give ManyChat permission. So we're going to do its thing and then click OK. So from there, we're going to go here and create a new account. I'll just put here, I'm just going to put down it's going to be for a demo account, but you can click, is it going to be used for an actual business? And I assume it would be yes. And what type of messages are you going to send? So this is what you can, all these ones. But just for now, I'm just going to click Facebook Messenger and right. So fill those out and click continue. Right, so now we're set up here. Righty-o, guys. Okay, so now we're going to set up our page ready for the chatbot. Okay, click on settings down here and we're going to go messaging. Okay, so in the general settings, we need to make sure this one is on. Use the return key to send messages. We want that one. And starting a message conversation, we want to turn that on. And the reason being, when that is on, when someone comes to your page, the messenger will just pop up and greet them and prompt them to send a message, which is more engaging. Okay, now there is an option here to if you click change here, you'll be able to make that a personal message, but we're not going to worry about doing that because we're going to set up a personal message in ManyChat, which will be better than that. Now just note here that this is your messenger URL. You can click copy that link, and by having that link you can give that to people and directly send them to your messenger or chatbot. And you'll notice here that mine is a /sym1 train, which I set that up as a custom URL for the page, and I can show you that in another video, but that's a good tip to do. Otherwise you just get a long string of numbers. It's better to have a custom URL. Now this next thing, you've got an option here of add messenger to your website, which is a good thing if you do have a website, but I would recommend doing that in ManyChat, not here. Okay, the next thing here is during a message conversation, set up automatic responses. So click on setup, and we want to turn all of these off. These are just a thing that Facebook made as a simple version of a chatbot, just putting automatic responses in, but it's very primitive compared to what we're going to be doing in ManyChat. Okay, so now we're going to go back into the settings again, and this time we're going to click advanced messaging. Come down here and you can see that ManyChat is connected. And then here, hand over protocol. So click configure here, and the primary receiver for handover protocol, we want that to be ManyChat. Select that, and then the secondary receiver will be the page inbox. Okay, now that we've got that, we just come down here and we've got the one-time notification. That should be ticked. So now that we've done all that, just get out of the settings, back to the page, if you click on here, view as a visitor, it's going to allow you to click send a message. So, and it comes up here. Now what you're going to notice here is that when they click on the message, there's nothing there. So what we need to do is to put a greeting text there. So we'll go back to ManyChat now, and we're going to go down here to settings, and here is the greeting text. So the standard one, the best bot in the universe. Alright, so now to change this, what we're going to do, hello, and then when we click down here, see this thing here, and we can use first name, last name, or full name. It's pretty common that people are just going to use first name. Let's just put here, we've got some emojis. Just click save, and then now see how it looks. So now, if we go to back to the page, and you can either view as a visitor and then click the message button, or if you click on the send message, it's going to go test the button. So test the button, and now there it is. Hello, Kev. Click the get started below to get the latest hot tips and explode your business. So boom, the next thing they're going to do is click started, but I'm not going to click get started, but I'm not going to click it just yet, because the next thing we want to do is to do our welcome message, so that when they click that, because if I click it now, it's just going to go da 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 da, and nothing is going to happen. Okay, so back over to ManyChat, and let's work on the message, welcome message. Okay, so now we've finished the greeting text. Let's come down here to Messenger, and let's find the welcome message. So it comes in as a default one. Now, in the interest of time, I've already started to set this one up, and so now I've just put in here just a short little thing again, first name. We're excited. Put some emojis in, and you know what, the greeting is going to be up to you. Now see, when we come down here, you got the choice of adding a button, or as you scroll down here, there's a whole different things you can do. You can put another text box, you can put an image, a gallery, the whole range of things. You could put in an audio thing or a video thing to play a audio message, or a video to greet them for the real personal touch. You can put in a delay. Now I'm not going to go into a real lot of depth here because I don't want this to be long. Let's just say, okay, we've done that much of a message. You don't want a message to be too long, so let's just drag this one up like this, and then we will go here. Okay, okay, come down here and see we have a delay. Okay, so now when you click on the box, you can click on this and you can move things around. So let's just move this up to here, and here's the first thing. And now when you put in a delay, you click on that and you can change the time of the delay. So they're going to see it as one message, and here comes the next one, and you can tick here to show that it's like the typing. Click the publish. So now back at the page, let's go and test that out now. So we'll just go test the button. So now let's go here, get started, and voila. Hello Kev, excited of you to be here and that you're interested in some hot tips, da 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 da. And then see now the next thing come up with a delay. So it gives it an authentic feel. Now you'd want to build on that and make it a lot more complex. You'd be putting menus in there and give people options. You don't want to have dead ends. The more that you can engage them in a natural way, the better it's going to be. But anyway, this was just going to be a simple one to show you how to set it up. I'm going to be making some more videos and I'll teach you all about making flows and sequences and everything, and you can see just how great this system is. Just one thing I was going to say here is that when you finish that, if you want to test it again, click on here and go delete conversation, and then it's all gone. So then now if you come back again, test the button, you start it from scratch again, and then you can click get started and start it from all over again if you need to test it. Alright, how was that, guys? Tried to make it as quick as I could. You probably work out your greeting and your welcome messages. In reality, you do them both in ManyChat while you're there, but I just did them one at a time just to show you actually how they functioned, and that's why it just sort of dragged out a little bit, but just for your interest. Yeah, you can. I'd probably also recommend putting a little delay in the welcome message. Just put a 2 or 3 second typing delay so that when someone presses on it, they'll see that it's typing and then it comes in rather than just going bang like that. And yeah, so if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and listen, leave a comment below, and I can subscribe you into my bot with the comments tool, which is something else I'm going to talk about down the track. And I'm going to release videos on building flows and just show you all the different things you can do, which is really an automation process to engage people and grow your business. So stay tuned for more, guys. So yeah, like I said, leave a comment below and you'll get subscribed for some more info. All right, thanks for watching, guys. This is Kevin McGoldrick, helping small businesses grow with social media strategies and systems that work. All right, thanks, guys. Okay, take care. Bye bye.